Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am, and if you're not, welcome back. I am a DIY guru. I don't know what else. Just look around my channel. I do a lot of different things. Anyways, today we are going to be using my patterned vinyl and a couple other fun things to do some pop sockets. Now we have the blanks. They are not pop socket brand. They are pop grips. Basically, they're just like a pop socket like pop socket, if that makes sense. But we have blank black and white right now on shopauntietay.com. So if you're a member to auntietay.com, you get 20% off my website at all times. And we carry lots of really fun products like bling and patterned vinyl and anything that you need to cut on your cutting machines, like your Cricut, your Silhouette, and all the other things. And we're always launching new crafting supplies. So with that, we are gonna just be making some really simple patterned, you can't even really tell, pop sockets. I did a reversed Mickey patterned floral pop socket, but you'll see in the video what they actually look like. So let's get going. All right guys, today we are gonna play with some pop sockets, and I'm gonna show you this really cool product that I got at Joann's that I do want to have at shopauntietay.com pretty soon, but it is a Diamond Dots product, and it's a double-sided sticky that I realized you can you can cut with your Cricut. So in this video, you'll see that I'm also doing lids for a cup. You can check that video out, but I'm also doing pop sockets. So you just need to measure your pop socket and figure out where you, like what size the circle needs to be. But I wanted to go a little above and beyond and cut a Mickey head out of it, because why not? And also show you some fun things that you can do with this. I originally found this because I wanted to use it with my bling and not have to use glue, but this obviously works. You know, if you have this saved in your Cricut files, you can cut anything. So you can use patterned vinyl and this double-sided sticky to do bling or to do glitter, which I'll show you all of them in this video. So I really like cutting like shapes out of my circles, because then I get an extra little Mickey head of patterned vinyl, and I'm going to use it on the other pop socket right here. So I'm gonna swap these centers out so that it's a subtle little Mickey, which is so cute. And this really doesn't even need a tutorial. I just kind of wanted to show you guys and give you some inspiration. I think I was actually filming my other tutorials and I was just getting creative, and so I figured I'd film it because, of course, whenever I make a fun project, you guys ask me to do a tutorial on it, so I just thought I'd share that with you. Okay, so here is the double-sided sticky Mickey. The double-sided sticky Mickey is gonna go in the middle of this pop socket, and he's not sticky because I haven't pulled off the back of him. So there's two sides. There's a clear top on one side and a white top on the other. And if you want to see this in action in another video, I do it on the blinged tumbler tops. So here I am going to just use an extra little piece of vinyl and put it on the center. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's not a Mickey. I'm just going to use the other side of this that has the negative of the sticky Mickey in. I feel like I'm wasting your guys' time by sharing this tutorial with you guys, but if you watch, you'll see that it's just a really fun way that you can get two pop sockets out of one pop socket. Well, I guess you have to cut two, but okay, I'm gonna go in here with glitter and watch the magic happen, okay? We're just gonna dump glitter on this double-sided sticky and wipe it off, and I am using Oodle Lolly in this video. And I'm just gonna dump it off, and look at, there's the Mickey. And then I realized I didn't actually use a perfect shape that covered the entire Mickey right there, but I brushed it off and you could barely even tell. Okay, so I'm gonna just rub that around and get that fine glitter stuck to this double-sided sticky. And then also I'll show you how on this one, I'm just gonna use some 16th birthday bling and my bling tool, and I'm gonna use a mix because that really does really good on little projects like this. Wow, words, they're really hard to find today. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with all the different sizes and fill in our little sticky Mickey. I really have to do some more tutorials just so I can say Sticky Mickey as many times as I can. Okay, so just gonna fill this guy in, and you can go in with glitter afterwards to fill in those gaps like we've done. We've used material like this before on a couple different tutorials, so I like to go in with glitter and fill in any of those gaps. But it's super cute. I'm gonna use the other side of my bling tool to push them down, and he's super cute. Look at that Sticky Mickey. And he blings like crazy because we're using Auntie Tay bling. Might be